Now that we have created our project and added details about the spaces we're going to paint, and we've added our process details, it is now time to send the proposal to the client. I'm going to now tap on the proposal button, and then the web browser on my phone will open. Here you can see your logo and your business name at the top. This is part of what you entered during your account setup. Here we have the cover image from the project, and we have listed the project's name and the client and decision maker names. We have here the address of the job site, our timeline information, and we have the About Us section. Again, this is something that you would have entered when you set up your account. Below there, we have details of the spaces that we're going to paint. We have an area here where once a customer approves at least one of the spaces, they'll be able to make their deposit payment. Below there, we have our scope of work items. These are the items that you enabled in the process details section of the project. So once you have reviewed and corrected any errors in the proposal, you're now ready to send it to your client. This can be done through the traditional sharing method on your device. I will click here, and then I am presented with different options of how I can share this page with someone. So it can be sent through a SMS text message, or you can copy the link to it and drop it into an email that you send to your client. Once the client receives the URL and clicks on the link, they will see the exact same proposal that you do. You'll need to instruct them to come down and review the details of the space, and if they are ready to move forward with that space, click the slider here next to Needs Approval. This will force the page to reload, and we can scroll down again and see that we have approved the first space. Let's look at the next space. Once they approve this, they'll click the slider here. Again, the page will reload, and now we can scroll down and see that this space has been approved. Now that the spaces have been approved, the customer is now prompted to pay a $250 non-refundable deposit. Once they do this, your job will move into an active status, such as we see with this job here. After the customer has paid their deposit, they will need to pay their commencement payment in order for you to begin work on the project.